Good morning, everybody. It's your boy. I got two phones again with another video. I just got this box in the mail, and it says Textnow. And I don't know if you guys know, but this month celebrates Textnow's 10-year anniversary, being on the market, just being out there. And they've been doing giveaways, so I think I won it. Yeah, I actually won a giveaway. So here we have it. This is the giveaway box, and let's see what's in the box. Let's go ahead and check this out, guys. Here we are. Shout out to Textnow, man. Everybody hating on Textnow, but they winning. All right, that's my government name. Don't wear it out. Okay, wow. Check this out. Matter of fact, let's just see what's in the envelope. Yeah. All right, celebrating 10 years of Textnow. That's crazy. Man, I remember when they first came out. Wow, that was, man. All right, it says, thank you for your continued support. Here's to the next 10 years. Whoa, here's to the next 10 years. You guys hear that? All right, so it says from the Textnow family. All right, cool. All right, let's see what we got in the box. All right. Okay. That's cool. Got a little name tag thing going on. I've been wanting these. I've been waiting for this. Rock this in a couple of videos. Cool. All right. Got another pop it socket thing. You know, one of those mobile phone stands and clip for your car mount. Okay. Cool. It's branded by Textnow. All right. Certified Textnow. Got another Textnow sticker. Cool. And yeah. Another Textnow t-shirt. That's what's up. All right, guys, you already know what that's gonna be. I'm gonna be rocking this in, some new videos. So yeah. But hey, actually, if you want a t-shirt, I'll probably give this one away. How about that? I'll probably give the Textnow t-shirt away. How about that? All right, yeah. So shout out to Textnow, man. Once again, this is a video about them celebrating 10 years, and they did giveaways. If you want to try to win something from Textnow, you guys got to follow them on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I'll leave the links in the description box. But once again, shout out to infamous Textnow. They win it, man. They in the game. All right.